Telephones. Let me tell you something about them you may not know. Telephones harbour saliva, dead skin cells and sweat, which is a great breeding ground for germs that can cause eye infections and ear infections. When you clean your telephone, it's really important to have an antibacterial solution. Durable's telephone clean wipes contain Bact-o-clean, which is 99.9% effective at killing germs and viruses. It's really quick and easy to give your office telephone a full antibacterial clean. Simply pop out a wipe, wipe the phone over thoroughly, make sure you don't miss any spots, especially the areas that you're going to put near your face. Now we've finished cleaning the office telephone. Did you know your mobile phones contain more germs and bacteria than the bottom of your shoe? So it's probably important that we clean that too. And for cleaning the screen, you can use Screen Clean Pro. It is anti-static, hypoallergenic, the cloth's machine washable, and it forms a protective layer that helps repel dust.